there's 14 million pages of information on ALLDATA, but sometimes the information is just not there, specifically more with newer vehicles. So for example, today, in 2 days time, I've got a BMW 4 Series coming in. There's no information listed on ALLDATA for it, so I can put in a request for that using the info center. If I type the registration number in now, it'll identify it as a BMW 4 Series. It's a 2019, so I click on that. You can see at the bottom it says limited information available for this vehicle in this database. Please submit an info center request. Dead quick, dead easy to do. Click on the car. It's already identified it there. All we need is a chassis number, so I can paste that in. Description, mil on. And then info requested in the box underneath. All I need is an engine wiring diagram. So engine wiring diagram. And that's it. Scroll down to the bottom right. There's a submit button there. Click on submit. Now, ALLDATA say that the response time is 4 hours, within 4 hours. But to be honest, these days, very, very unlikely that I'd ever have to wait that time. Great service, powerful tool, use it, don't be afraid of it. Earlier we put an info request in for the BMW 4 Series. That's now come back. We can see here, if we go up to the top to Info Center, My Requests. We've got the top one there, we put it in at 12:55, 14:21, so well within the 4 hours that they say. It's closed, so we've been actioned on that. We hit view, so it's been returned. Hi Steve, hope you're well. There shouldn't be an issue, but BMW do not produce a complete PCM diagram. They break the diagram down via individual components. So if you have a specific area you would initially like the wiring on, a cam crank sensor, I will get this over to you. So what they've done, they've replied. They're saying BMW do it differently. They're asking for individual components. This is the way BMW does it. So what I'll do now, I'll do a further request using the vehicle information, and I'll ask for the power and grounds for the engine ECU itself. So that's the component I want the wiring diagram for. Another really good part of the info center is the fact that any request that I've made is stored on their database, and I can refer to it at any time I want to. So for example, we have a Peugeot here, Peugeot Experts. It's a closed case, so they've solved that for me. Click on view. There's the information that I asked for. So engine management wiring diagrams and particle filter DPF wiring diagrams. Again, everything ALLDATA, right click, open a new tab. And there's the genuine OEM wiring diagram for that vehicle, for that chassis number, straight from the manufacturer's portal. A great resource.